Okay, hey, Paul Saxe. Hi, I'm here speaking to Prince Frederick, who's in England, and the Prince is involved with a very important environmental outreach. Hi, Prince Frederick. How are you today?
Fine, fine, thank you. Good afternoon, good morning.
Thank you. So tell us about this wonderful outreach that you're connected to. Thank you.
Well, you've just watched the video of the Two Men Plant a Forest. It was a project I helped support and publicizing the noble actions of these two young men who traveled to Ecuador, South America, to do their bit for Mother Earth. They did this in partnership with Rainforest Concern, a dedicated body devoted to saving Mother Earth, focusing on the rainforests of the world. And their vision is a world where tropical deforestation and degradation has no role in climate change. And they had this in mind, that the rainforest is our global safety net, and supporting local people to protect it is the smartest, most positive climate action there is. And we all rely on the rainforest. They are the lungs of the earth. They take the carbon dioxide out of the climate and put oxygen into the air. No matter where we are in the world, we rely on the rainforest and balancing the climate, protecting wildlife, and supporting society. Its importance cannot be understated. So I've been involved with climate change issues, many decades actually, before it became fashionable to get on the platform and get on the podium, get on stage and talk about it and inspire hundreds of thousands of other people, like-minded people, to do the same as what you're doing.
Okay, Prince Frederick, thank you for sharing that video and this organization and the outreaches that you do. Look forward to speaking with you about other projects that I know you're involved with. Thank you.
Thank you.